Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog at Dressable Yesta Vlog. So for today's video ay gagamit tayo ng lockless system. So yung hair ni ma'am ay pinariban niya last 6 months ago. Then pinakulayan 2 times. So nag-dry na yung kanyang hair at meron naman siyang mga regrowth parts. So yung first step na gagamitin natin ay mag-deep cleansing shampoo muna tayo. So yung deep cleansing shampoo na ginagamit natin ay product din from Lockless. So, 2 times muna natin siyang shampoohan at para mawala yung mga residues, chemicals like oils. So, we need to shampoo the hair 2 times para ma-open natin yung cuticle ng hair ni client. Para mamaya pag-apply natin ng Lockless system ay mai-deposit natin ito ng tama sa kanyang hair guys. So, after that ay pinupunasan na natin ang hair ni client. Then, i-blower na natin ito within 100% dry bago tayo mag-apply ng Lockless system. So, yung kagandahan ng Lockless system ay wala po itong formaldehyde. Good for pregnant women at 12 years old na mga kids na gusto silang magpaayos at magpa-treatment ng kanilang mga buhok. So definitely, ang Lockless system ay maraming benepisyo na makukuha na maayos ang inyong mga buhok. Maaari itong makapagbigay ng mga gandang resulta, magiging smooth, shiny at bouncy ang inyong buhok kapag gagamitan nyo ng Lockless system. Nakakapagpapagaling din ito ng mga buhok na sobrang damage na, frizzy at ini-inject ito sa inyong mga buhok para maging smooth, shiny at bouncy yung effect ng inyong mga buhok. So actually guys, the system treatment of straightening hair uses a non-essential amino acids that occurs in keratin to straighten as well as strengthen your hair. It's this hair treatment if you have tight curls, the ingredients relax your hair with using natural additives like formaldehyde. So formaldehyde free po ang Lockless system. So safe po ito sa mga buntis, mga bata at mga may sakit gaya ng asthma at kung ano-ano pa. So, maganda yung benefit ng Lockless system to protect our hair from damages, decreases the frizz and adds shines. Your hair will be easy to maintain after the treatment. System treatment reduces about 60% curl volume on ethnic hair and 70% curl volume on a Caucasian hair. And any system hair treatment will last between 12 to 16 weeks depending on how you take care of your hair. Yes, you can get a follow-up treatment, but it is advisable not to get repetitive system, keratin or straightening treatments. You may want to offer a more permanent and promising treatment. Ano ba yan? Nag-i-English na tayo guys. Bisaya at Ilonggo at Tagalog nanonood sa atin. Pero sana ay maunawaan ninyo ang mga paliwanag about sa Lockless system. Most of people who opt for system hair treatment do so to reduce the appearance of frizz and achieve a smoother look, but the heat applied during the process can cause long-term damage to hair and make it extremely brittle and prone to breakage. It also changes the hair structures and strip away its natural oils. Cysteine is an amino acid commonly found as a component of total parenteral nutrition, a thiol containing non-essential amino acid that is oxidized to form cysteine. However, although cysteine is a necessary part of a well-balanced diet, the extent of its effect on hair loss is limited to providing some essential nutrients your hair needs for a healthy growth. It is highly unlikely and definitely not proven to individually stop hair loss or regrowth hairs that already been lost. The treatment involves applying a formula that contains systems to the hair. The application helps smoothen hair. It is considered quite safe and gentle in comparison to other hair treatments like keratin. This protein also aids in hair growth and thus adds volume shine when treated properly. So far, the structure of cysteine at pH 7 shows that side group is protonated. So we must conclude that even though the pKa is 8.33, the sulfide drill is acting as an acid that isoelectric point PL is the pH at which the zwitterion is the dominant species, which is net positive. So why is cysteine is special? Because it has a very reacted sulfide drill group at its side chain. This puts cysteine in a special position that cannot be replaced or substituted by any other amino acid, because disulfide bridges formed by cysteines reduces our permanent component of protein and primary structure. So, ayan na guys, medyo lumalalim na yung pag-aaral natin dito sa cysteine. So, after that ay, ayan, nababad na natin siya. So, ibababad nyo lang yung Laxley cysteine ng 30 to 45 to 1 hour. So, mas maganda 2 hours na ibabad para talaga sumiksip or sumipsip yung gamot sa kaloob-looban ng buhok ni Madam. So, you can put a cling wrap or a hair cap. So, yung purpose ng paglalagay ng cling wrap or hair cap ay para hindi sumingaw yung treatments sa buhok ni Madam. So, makukulob yung kanyang hair at talagang magiging effective yung result. So, ayan guys, after 1 hour ay banlaw na tayo. So, binanlawan natin. Hindi tayo naglagay ng conditioner at kung ano-ano pa. So, yun lang. Talagang banlaw lang. Tapos, banlawan nyo talaga maigi. Talagang walang maiiwan na gamot sa hair ni Madam. So, ayan guys. Susuklayin nyo lang maayos para pag blower nyo ay hindi magbubukag-kag or ngangarag yung buhok ni client. So, yung gamit natin na blower ay medium lang na heat. So, after medium yan na. So, nakikita nyo na kahit blower pa lang yan guys, nakikita nyo sobrang shiny, bouncy na ang kanyang buhok at hindi na siya gaanong dry. So, papatayuin nyo lang guys ng 100% bago nyo paplansyahin. Wag nyo paplansyahin na mabasa yung buhok kasi magkukause siya ng frizzy at masusunog yung buhok niya. So, ayan. So, after that na natin napatuyo ay magpa-plancha na po tayo. So, recommended na heat na plancha ng temperature na gagamitin nyo ay 180 to 200 degrees. Depende sa types ng hair ni client. Kapag yung buhok naman niya ay sobrang nipis na, so gumamit lang kayo ng 160 to 180 degrees. At bakit nga ba na 160 to 180 lamang yung degrees na gagamitin natin para maiwasan na ma-damage lalo yung kanyang hair na sobrang dry na sa dulo. Kaya yung purpose na yan, yung gagamitin natin na plancha ay hindi gaanong sobrang init like 200 to 240 degrees para maiwasan natin na masira or masunog nga yung buhok ni client. Kasi once na pag paplansyahin mo yan ng 240, imbis na gaganda yung buhok ni client, ang mangyayari ay masusunog lalo. So, ayan guys, para lang din kayo nagpa-plancha ng nagre-reban kayo guys, nipisan nyo lang din, tapos igihan nyo yung pagplancha. So, actually guys, ang Laxley cysteine ay hindi kagaya ng rebond. So, yung rebond ay talagang makukuha yung pinaka 100% na straightening. So, yung Laxley cysteine ay makukuha yung 40 to 60 na straightening effect. So, kung gusto nyo na ang buhok nyo talaga ay talagang bagsak na bagsak, straight na straight, you must go to rebond na lang po. So, kung gusto nyo naman na parang bouncy or just like a volume rebond, go for cysteine. So, ang cysteine kasi guys, hindi siya nakaka-straight talaga sa talagang sobrang kinky na hair. So, bagay lang ito sa mga back jobs na hair, like wavies, like mga flyaways na hair. Yun yung gagawin yung mag-Laxley cysteine. Ang cysteine ay napaka-expensive talaga guys. Sobrang mahal niya. Pero, talagang sobrang matutuwa kayo sa resulta kasi sobrang epektibo po siya. At ayan, after na natin na plancha, yan na po yung naging outcome ng kanyang hair. So, manood kayo sa after wash ng kanyang buhok, guys. Kung meron ba talagang epekto sa buhok ni client yung Laxley cysteine. So, panoorin nyo ang video hanggang sa dulo para malaman nyo kung effective nga ba ito sa mga nag-dry na buhok or ganun pa rin ba yung buhok. Kayo na lang din bahala mag-judge at ipapakita ko sa inyo yung review niya after 3 days na naliguan ang kanyang buhok, guys. So, yan, napaliwanag na natin ang kagandahan ng Lockless system. At napaka-expensive nga ito. Kapag meron kang ganito, ay talagang magiging sikat ang isa mong salon or maybe ikaw na ang may pinaka-high-end na salon na meron dito. Kasi sa ibang bansa ay ito yung mga ginagamit nila na treatments, guys. So, ayan guys, panoorin nyo yung video ng ating after wash result ng kanyang buhok at malalaman nyo yung best na resulta na ginawa natin sa kanyang hair. So, actually, it takes 3 to 4 hours natin ginawa yung kanyang buhok para rin tayo nagre-rebond. So, ayan guys, yan na yung resulta ng kanyang hair after plancha na natin ng Lockless. Pero panoorin nyo pa rin yung pinakadulo ng video na to dahil makikita nyo yung after wash ng kanyang hair, guys. So, napaliwanag na natin ang kagandahan ng Lockless system na maaaring makatulong sa inyong pagbubuhok or pagkakaroon ng magandang serbisyo sa inyong salon. So, may argan po yan. Ang Lockless, napakaganda ng argan. Actually, marami pa sana akong i-explain. Pero sa susunod na lang na vlogs, i-explain ko naman. So, after 3 days, guys, yan na po yung naging outcome ng kanyang hair. So, hindi natin siya plinansya yan. Wala. Pagkakadating niya lang. So, nakikita nyo yung improvement ng kanyang hair. Bouncy, shiny, at nawala na yung dry. At yung kagandahan ng kanyang hair ay talagang smooth, bouncy, at sobrang shine yung naging resulta ng kanyang buhok. So, makikita at malalaman nyo rin kapag kayo ay gumamit din yan at mapapatunayan nyo nga na talagang napakaganda ng Lockless system na treatment sa hair ni client. So, look at that. So, sabi ko nga, hindi nakaka-straight yung Lockless ng 100% straightening like ribbon. So, it gives more shine and moist and bouncy hair when you're using Lockless system. So anyway guys, sa gusto umorder ng Lockless system, just PM me sa aking account sa Arbaliesta or you can PM Lockless Philippines sa kanilang page dahil meron din silang Shopee. Pero pag umorder kayo sa Shopee, lagyan nyo ng Lux Jeresa guys para meron kayong discount guys. Kasi may mga code yan para maka-avail kayo ng discount. So anyway guys, sana meron kayong nakuhang ideas and knowledge and techniques sa ating mga bagong kaalaman sa hair. Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga suporta at laging panonood ng ating mga vlogs. God bless you all at panoorin nyo parati ang ating mga vlogs. Bye-bye and God bless you.